We are going to do 3.1, page 4 together. So the first thing we're going to do is this box right here. It says, name the transversal. So if I'm looking at angle 1 and angle 12, I see that they're both touching line L. So the transversal is line L. If I'm looking at 3 and 6, the line that they both share is line J. That's a terrible L. And if I'm looking at 12 and 14, the line that they both share is line K. So we've identified transversals. We're good at that. Now we're going to go through and find an example of all of these things. So we're going to start with corresponding angles. Corresponding means same side of the transversal, one in, one out. So if this were my transversal, and this is my interior, I'm going to have same side, one in. So if I use angle 1, the other angle would be angle 9. If I used angle 2, the other angle would be angle 10. I could use angle 3. The other angle would be angle 11. Or I could use angle 4, and its corresponding would be angle 12. So they're all corresponding, they just have to find their right partner. If I wanted to change up my transversal, and if I wanted line M to be my transversal, it's not working. That's yellow. If I want line M to be my transversal, and this is the interior, I'm just going to pick one. If I pick 7, angle 7, same side, 7's outside, so it has to be inside, angle 15. This time I turned my picture a different way, but I want to find alternate interior, opposite sides of the lines and on the inside. So if this purple line is my transversal, 3, opposite side inside, its partner would have to be 6. If I was looking at 4, his partner would have to be 5. If I changed up where my transversal was, I'm just going to erase this, pretend like you don't even see this half of the picture, and I'm going to make my transversal run through that line. Now I'm going to have different alternate interiors. So if 11 is 1, its alternate interior is 14. If 12 is 1, his alternate interior is 13. Now to get one more, I'm going to totally have to change it all up. So now I have a different interior, and I want to look at 6 right here. 6, same side inside, would be 15. Angle 6 and angle 15. Now we're going to look at alternate exterior. Alternate exterior means they're going to be outside and on opposite sides of the line. So angle 5 and angle 16. Oops. Or it could be angle 14 down here and its outside opposite side would be angle 7. If I scoot over and change my transversal, if I make this line my transversal, the interior stays the same right here. Oops, my transversal color went away. Okay, but now my alternate exterior, angle 1, matches with angle 12. And my angle 3 would match with angle 10. Now I'm going to have to totally switch it up. I just need one more. I'm going to use 9 and its alternate exterior, so it's got to be on opposite sides. So these are opposite sides, but it has to be outside. It can't be the one that touches it. It can't be yellow. So angle 16. Now we'll find consecutive interior. I'm going to use the same transversal. So consecutive interior. So I'm going to use 11. Consecutive interior means same side of the line. So it could be 9, 13, or 15. Interior means inside. Well, 13 is the only one of those that's inside. If I use 12, his partner would be 14. All right, we're going to have to get a different transversal. We've used up all the alternate interiors on, consecutive interiors on that one. All right, I have a new transversal now. Consecutive interior, same side, inside. If I look at 2, 9 is the only other one that's on the same side and inside. 4's partner would be 11. All right, I'm going to have to do a new transversal. This time, my transversal is line M, so consecutive interior. If I used 8, I would say same side inside is 15. All right, now we have consecutive same side exterior. I'm going to use the same picture. Same side, so here's a 5. The same sides are 6, 13, and 14, but it has to be exterior. So angle 5 and angle 14 are consecutive exterior, which would mean that 7 and 16 are also consecutive exterior. I'm looking for some more consecutive exteriors. I know that angle 1 is an exterior because it's not inside the yellow. And angle 7 is on the same side. It's on the top of the green line and it's also outside. 2 is underneath it outside. 8 is underneath it outside. If I change my transversal up, and now this red line is my transversal, I could say 10 is under red and outside. 16 is under red and outside. Now, it asks, the very last question it asks is some non-examples. Those are the ones that aren't even on the same, they don't share a line at all. So I'm just going to pick 2 examples for that. So if I asked you what the relationship between angle 1, oops, come on now. Between angle 1 and angle 16. They don't share any lines. 16 is on M and K. 1 is on J and L. So angle 1 and angle 16 would be examples of angles that don't have a relationship. It's not its mom, it's not its sister, it's not its daughter, it's nothing. It's like just a rando person it meets on the bus. All right, let's think of one more example. I could say angle 6 right here because he is on J and M. And then I could say angle 11 because he is on L and K. So angle 6 and angle 11 do not have a relationship. Copy these notes down. When you're done, flip over to the next page. On this page, you get to color. Woohoo! I'm going to show you how to do it. So it wants to know angle 2. So the first box says angle 2 and angle 13. 2, 13. So if those are right there, that would mean its transversal is this line and its interior is right through here. So those are on opposite sides of the line, but they're both inside. When I have opposite inside, I'd have alternate interior. That says that is light blue. So I've already given you the answer for the first one. So get your crayons or markers or colored pencils and color this first box light blue. You're going to go through each of these boxes and color them depending on whether they're corresponding, alternate interior, alternate exterior, consecutive interior, consecutive exterior, or no relationship. I will be kind and I will tell you that when you are coloring, you will color 4 of them pink, you will color 3 of them light blue, you will color 3 of them yellow, you will have 5 green ones, 3 orange, and there are 6 that are trying to trick you that are not related because they don't share any lines. So finish that notes when you're done. Do this page 5. When you are done with that, I need you to do IXL D3, and then you are done for the day. Thank you.